Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Banget TV again, and today we are talking about the monetary statement released by the RBZ recently, and it's actually the mid-term monetary policy. On this video, we're just talking about the key points. Then we will be having follow-up videos explaining some key issues like the banning of mobile money and the issue of FCA Nostro accounts. So they said also the introduction of the foreign exchange auction system was achieving its key objective of price stability and has greatly assisted in creating transparency in the management of foreign exchange and in price discovery of the market exchange rate. Yes, that was true. There is some price stability in the economy since the forex exchange rate was introduced, but we wait to see how long can the forex exchange system be sustainable. And also, they say the suspension of mobile money agents for bulk transaction and improved monitoring on electronic transaction has also started to bear fruits, as evidenced by the muted activity on the forex exchange parallel market. Yes, that's true. There have been less activity on the foreign exchange parallel market, that is the black market, and also the rates have been stable for some time because they are less transaction, probably because of the issue of urgent line that were pushing a lot of money into the system. They are no longer there. Don't forget to watch the second video on this issue, as we will be explaining further the banning of mobile money agents. Then they also said the redirection of the foreign currency demand pressure from the parallel market to the auction, coupled with improved foreign currency supply and the bank's contractionary monetary growth stance. So here they are talking of the money, the need for foreign currency being channeled to the forex auction system by the business community. So people are no longer, the large corporates are no longer buying foreign currency on the black market, but they are going straight to the auction system where they are getting it actually at a cheaper price. And this has led to the improvement of the rate and its stability. And they're also saying the bank reviewed the reserve requirements from 5% to 2.5 to enable banks to increase credit to the productive sectors of the economy. What they're simply saying is now you can expect more money to borrow from banks as it will be availed since the banks are no longer required to hold a lot of their money as reserves. So loans might actually be available from most banks, but with the foreign currency rate, with the exchange rate, the exchange rate will actually be the major determinant of these loans because are not usually banks usually do not give loans when there is no exchange rate stability. And also, on another factor, all export retention thresholds for exporters will be at a standard level of 70% with immediate effect. Another good news for exporters, now they get 70% of their money in foreign currency. Remember, the level had fallen at some point. Some were getting 50, some were actually getting less than 50, but now they are getting 70%, which is also good news and some good moves by the RBZ. And in addition to this, equity principal to export retention threshold, the 30-day liquidation period of unused funds has been reviewed upwards to 60 days from the day of receipt of funds. So the RBZ is saying now, the head said for 30 days you should liquidate your FCA earnings, that is your foreign currency earnings if you are an exporter. But now they are saying you are given 60 days to plan how to use your money. So remember, what they mean is that when you get your export receipts in foreign currency, you have to liquidate it into the RTGS dollar. That is the local currency. So for now, you have 60 days to liquidate your currency. And also, they're saying in order to ensure that some of the domestic generated foreign currencies utilized to sustain the auction with immediate effect and going forward, 20% of the foreign currency receipts of providers of goods and services shall be liquidated at the point of depositing into the domestic FCAs. So they're saying, especially for shops, when they deposit their foreign currency earnings, 20% of it will be turned into RTGS at the point of deposit, at the time of deposit. So this also, they are also saying this is a key measure in ensuring that the auction system remains funded. You see, shops usually and retailers are the major usually affected by most of the policies by the RBZ. And in one of the big moves by the RBZ, they are saying they are establishing a toll-free line for people to call them if any shop is practicing the issue of using different rates for their goods. Some shops, remember, use 90%, some 95, some actually 110. They are saying the rate that is determined by the exchange market, that is the auction, the forex auction, is the one that should be used in the market by everyone. And they're saying now you can report with a toll-free line made for you, the general public. Yes, that was just a general review. Catch up more videos and get more details and explanations on most issues raised by the RBZ. Thank you.